that first part, or whatever this is. Alright, so today I am welding an exhaust for my Honda. I'm going to make it about that much longer. So I'm just going to fill in this hole right here and then grind it up.
Hey, it's the editor. If you're sensitive to bright lights, please continue with caution.
Look like a butthole. And there that is. Now I don't want to hear nothing about me being no amateur welder or nothing, alright? Because yeah, I am. I just started in my shop on this Craftsman right here. There's that. This is the welder I started on. It's the welder I stay going on. There's my power settings right there for this weld, if you can see it. So now what we're going to do, now that we have all the holes filled in with weld, we're going to grab our safety glasses, put these on right here. You really don't, you don't need anything else. If you want to wear gloves, you can. I just don't. Turn that off. We don't need no more. But yeah, and then you're just gonna start sanding or grinding, I guess.
All right now, said you're floating anytime on the edge of time. The water tower says the same thing. John Deere green with the same names. A little faded, but it still looks good. In my neck of the woods, neck of the woods, my neck of the woods. In my neck of the woods.
Rough, but it's my car. It's my car, so you know. But yeah, that looks really good. Right here, going along that. Don't worry about that. That doesn't matter to me. I don't care. But it looks good on the outside. Nice and smooth, all that good stuff. So we good. So now, what I'm gonna be doing, what I'll be doing now, can't really do it with one hand, but you know, that, and then grab this, and we're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint it with this here satin paint and primer in one.